Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a fun game that you can play during math centers or during your math connections time when you're not meeting with the teacher, what the other kids can be doing. There's a great website that you can just Google his name. It's Greg Tang Math, and usually that will pop up right away. But the game I'm going to show you today is called Kakooma. And I would recommend practicing before you play it for the first time because it doesn't really make sense unless you've done the practice. So I'm going to show you what the practice is like. So this is the practice, basic facts. You can either do addition or multiplication. Today I'm just going to model doing it with multiplication. The puzzle size just is, if you do the 4, I would recommend starting with 4, and the more pieces of the puzzle, the more complex it gets. So we're actually just going to start with a 4 puzzle piece today, and the difficulty we're going to do pretty easy. I'm not going to show a timer. That stresses me out right now, so I'm not going to do a timer, but you can have the option of putting a timer with it if you would like to. All right, so in this Kakooma, or Kakooma, it says to touch the number that is the product of 2 other numbers. So in this case, you'll see the number 8, 48, 6, and it looks like 24. So if you took 8 and multiply it by 48, you would click or 8 and multiply it by 6, you would get 48. So I got it. So I'm going to give it a little bit of practice. So here we go. I can go to any square I want. I don't have a timer, so I can kind of just relax and go at my own pace. So I'm looking down here. A lot of times, it might take you a little while, but I know that 9 multiplied by 8 is the same as 72. So I click on the 72, and if I get it right, it goes green and goes up here really big. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, 6 and 10, 60. 10 and 9 is 90. So I'm always clicking on the product. And so my puzzle is completed. Then if you go out of here, you can play the game by yourself. I'll also show you the compete section because a lot of students might like to compete with the computer. So you're going to select your little Kakooman. Kind of funny. I'll be this little guy here. We can do multiplication again since that's what we practice, and start our game up. So here I am, and yes, this is going to be who answers fastest. So if I click, it goes in my color. If the computer or my opponent, see how they get the point there, and so this little bar goes up, who can do it the fastest. So I'm going to go and race the computer. Oh yeah. So this is just an option that you can do with your class as a station or however you see fit. Thank you.